Morning, y'all. Stretch your legs with me a little bit. Haven't seen any deer or anything through here yet. A lot of chipmunks and squirrels rustling around in the woods. I finally cut that tree down. Sorry, every time I talk, bug flies in my mouth, so I'll just let you soak up what I'm saying. It's so dry, there's usually like a creek that runs through here under this bridge. Everything is dried up. Yeah, the white birch trees, I like those. Hoping to catch some deer or something in here, but not today, y'all. Always look up, y'all. That's just like barely hanging on. For those of metal detector whatnot out in the woods, always be aware of your surroundings, that's for sure. Here's a picture of one of the observation towers at the Tobico Marsh. Before the wetlands stuff was really tall out there, I used to be able to go up there and just look around. But right now it's like wetlands are like over 5 foot tall. But kind of neat nonetheless. Yeah, you gotta watch because all these roots coming up from where you're walking. It's not too hard to trip. Gotta be careful. Yep, or another bridge. Ooh, there's a. Wonder if I can zoom in on him. gray squirrel. Dang, I lost him. Sorry about that, y'all. Trying to capture the chipmunks too. Those things are like little speed racers. Millions of them out here. This is one of my favorite spots. Alright, y'all. I'm back to the parking spot, so hope y'all have a good day. And I hope y'all ain't just sitting around. Hopefully you got out, did something, got some sort of movement going on. They say you lose it if you don't use it, or however the saying goes. I really can't remember, but get out there, enjoy nature, enjoy your surroundings. Take a deep breath and just become one with the earth. Enjoy the little things around you. See what little things you can see if you actually take the time, slow down, and look. Don't let life pass you by, y'all. As always, much love from here in Michigan.